Hello, you beautiful people out there. Welcome back to Tensorvid. We're continuing right where we left off. In this video, we'll extrude the sketch and ensure that the resulting model incorporates freely moving parts. I'm going to select the Extrude tool now. We'll begin by selecting the bottom portion of the sketch first, and then we'll progress toward the top. I will now extrude these two faces and specify a distance of 40 mm. On the Extrude panel here, I'll make sure to change the direction to symmetric. It's currently extruding 40 mm on each side, but that's not the total distance we want. We need the total length to be 40 mm. So let's go to the measurement option here and switch it from half length to whole length. Make sure we select New Component in the Operation option, and then I'll press OK to complete the action. As you can see, a new component has appeared in the browser panel. Let's double-click to rename it. I will name this component the bottom clamp. Now, let's bring the sketch back by unhiding it from the browser panel so we can continue to extrude the remaining sections. I'll select these faces and set the extrusion distance to half the distance of the two faces we just extruded. However, here's a crucial point. Before we finalize the distance for the section where it will attach to the top part, we need to define a clearance value. The clearance value is essentially the necessary gap between two moving parts that allows for smooth movement and prevents them from sticking or binding. This value is dependent on your specific 3D printer model and the filament you are using. Therefore, make sure you research the optimal value for your setup. For my model, the ideal value is 0.4 mm. I will go to the Change Parameters option here under the Modify menu and create a new parameter. I'll call it clearance and assign it the value of 0.4 mm. Let's select the Extrude tool again and pick these faces here. I'm going to input a value of 20 minus the clearance. Make sure the extrusion is symmetric, the measurement option is set to whole length, and the operation type is set to join. Now we can inspect the model. The resulting distance is 19.60 mm. Awesome! Our bottom component is now ready to be attached to the top. Let's begin extruding the top part now. I'm going to select all these remaining faces. And extrude them by 40 mm, which is the same as the bottom clamp. I'll use all the same options as the previous step, and I'll ensure the operation is set to create a new component. I'll now rename this new component the top clamp. Our top clamp is almost complete. We will continue to refine the back hinge area in the third part of the series. We'll also model the hinge that holds the top and bottom parts together. I will then apply section analysis and show you exactly how much clearance to use, so the part prints and moves smoothly without sanding or forcing. This final part is where the entire clamp truly comes to life, so don't miss it. Also, if you like my explanation, please like, comment and share. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Your support helps my channel grow and continue to deliver high-quality videos.